Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're baking a classic, rich and buttery pound cake that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this delightful treat. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, half a cup of full-fat sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, and baking powder. This ensures our cake has the perfect texture. In a separate bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a moist and tender crumb. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. This helps incorporate air, aiding the cake's rise. Next, blend in the sour cream and vanilla extract. The sour cream adds moisture and a subtle tangy flavor. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain a tender texture. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan, smoothing the top evenly. Bake for approximately 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a classic pound cake that's moist, flavorful, and perfect on its own or paired with fresh berries and whipped cream. Happy baking! Please hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos.